It's Jessica from Transita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you the 3-strand split twist braid. Be sure I had to say that minimum 5 times to make it right. I parted the hair in the middle because we're going to do a pigtail style. Then I sectioned off the front hair in a triangle shape. Smooth it out, put it by the side, and tie the rest of the hair with a clip or an elastic away so that it won't bother you while you're braiding. Section this strand now into 3 equal strands, the left, middle and right strand. Split the right strand. I will try to explain it slow. Bring the middle strand through the splitted right strand, and now you have to do the twist. That means from the splitted strand, the part that is down comes up, twisting it over the upper part, you see? And now you open these 2 strands again and bring the very left-hand strand through the twisted middle strand. Now you have 3 strands again. Do the same again. Split the right strand, bring the middle strand through it, make the twist with bringing this part that is down up and then the left through it. Again, split, bring the middle strand through, turn to the left by bringing up the strand or the half part from down, the left through it, and you have 3 strands again. And like this, you will do the whole braid until the end, splitting the right, bringing the half of that strand from down up, and then the left strand through this splitted strand. That's why it's split, twist, split, twist, and bring through the left strand. This technique you'd better learn by practicing. Just watching won't make it clear. The moment where you once did it and you do it correctly, you will see that it's very, very easy. Just remember to do always the same steps and do the twist correctly. And what I do is I split always the strand that is closer to the middle part line when I do a pigtail style. If you make one single braid, you just split the one that is easier for you to hold when you split it. If you're working with very long hair, you don't have to braid until the very end. We just want this braid to reach until where the pigtail is going to start. When your accent braid is long enough, just tie it off with an elastic. When you turn the braid now, you see parallel strands. These are the strands that we're going to pancake now. Just pull slightly on the edges and feather these strands out. This will give the effect of something like a stacked braid. You will have the twist on the top and those strands feathered out in the rear. Pancake until you like the result. Release the hair you tied away at the beginning, brush it out, and make a neat little ponytail. Tie the hair off, deep down in the neck behind the ear, and then attach the braid we just did over it on the top. Now you can release the little hair tie you used to tie off the braid. With the topsy tail tool, I'm going to hide the elastic now. And this is our finished style. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and press the notification button so you won't miss any new tutorial. We normally load up a new video on Monday and Thursdays. You can also check out our Instagram and see the braids that I did with this technique on my daughter. Thank you so much for watching.